Welcome to my video on photographing the constellation Orion and the Great Nebula with an iPhone and a small telescope. Okay, this is the equipment that I used. It was just a tripod and then my iPhone and the little mount that holds it in place so I could do 30-second night exposures. And so the picture on the right here, this is the constellation Orion. You can see Betelgeuse there, and you can see the belt right here, and then the Great Nebula is right here. And this is a compilation of 8 30-second exposures that I processed with Sequator. It is a pretty handy astronomical tool for stacking photographs, and you can see it brought out some of the nebulosity here, and clearly there's thousands of stars in the picture, and you can see the shoulders and the legs of Orion, the belt, and then the head. So it's a pretty good little picture, I thought, for that simple a setup. Okay, next I went to my telescope and attached the iPhone right here. Got a 25mm eyepiece projecting onto the camera, and then here's a 400mm focal length telescope by Celestron with a 70mm objective lens up here, and then an alt-az mount. So there was no tracking involved here. And what I want to show you next is this little 10-second clip. You can't see much, but this is the video of Orion. And like I said, you can't see a lot here. It's just a few stars twinkling, but it's just not enough light to really give much of an image. Now, after the video, I tried just a regular still photograph, and that worked better. I used the 5-second, I didn't put it in night mode, I just did the 5-second exposure with my iPhone. And the picture on the left here, this is the picture that I took just in the 5-second exposure. There was just one of them, and actually I took several. And then what I did was I blew it up and processed it. I did the first processing with the iPhone because I like its actual processing a little better. You can get rid of set the black scale better on this. It's got a few more features, and then I transferred it to my regular computer where I did a little more processing with the photo editor built into Microsoft. So there you can see clearly the nebulosity and some of the stars in that region. So that's not a bad little photograph for 5 seconds in a small telescope, I thought. I was happy with it anyway. All right, I want to thank you for watching. I hope you learned a little bit about photographing Orion with a small telescope.